Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We embark on a journey to enhance your spreadsheet flexibility by delving into the realm of converting absolute references to relative references. Join us as we explore two distinct methods, one using Excel's built-in features and the other employing VBA magic. Let's dive right in. Our first method taps into the brilliance of Excel's built-in features. Let's witness the simplicity of this approach. Select the cell that contains the reference you want to change. Select the reference of references that you want to convert. Press F4 key 3 times. Observe as Excel dynamically converts the absolute reference to a relative one. If you type a relative reference into formula box, then press F4, the reference will change to absolute. When you press F4 again, the reference changes to mixed type with the row fixed. So you need to press F4 key 3 times in the above steps. Now, let's venture into the world of VBA magic with our second method, a user-defined function to convert absolute references to relative ones. Let's see how it's done. Click on Visual Basic command under Developer tab. Then the Visual Basic Editor window will appear. Click Insert to Module to create a new module. Paste the below VBA code into the code window. Then clicking Save button. Back to the current worksheet, then run the above Excel macro. Select one range that you want to convert reference type. Select a reference type. You can see that the VBA code transforms the absolute reference into a relative one. By mastering these two methods, you gain the power to seamlessly convert absolute references to relative ones, elevating your Excel skills. Stay tuned for more Excel insights. And don't forget to subscribe for future tips. Share this newfound knowledge with your peers, and, as always, thanks for watching.